How do these earbuds help you sleep better? Because they were made for your comfort and for a deeper, more peaceful sleep. Unlike regular earbuds that press on your ear, feel uncomfortable and lose the silhouette the moment you turn to the side. These are different, light, almost invisible, perfect for side sleeper. They even have 3 sound modes: noise cancelling to shut the yard off, transparent mode to stay hour, and off mode for a natural sound. Sleep Pods by Open Hack.